Hello guys, today we're going to be doing another LED install for my Honda Civic TypeR for the turn signal and the side marker. So these are the LEDs I got. These are the turn signals and these are the side markers. Phillips. They should last 8 years, so we'll see. Time to replace them. What you want to do is take these two bolts off, 8mm socket, and here there are two tabs here. You pull it off on the right side. Really simple and easy. Difference even in the daytime. This is the halogen, and this is the LED. It's popped in. Now we're going to show you a night video too, how bright it looks at night with the turn signals. So this is before the LEDs are installed. As you can see, it's really dim and not bright. LEDs coming soon. This is a faraway view. As you can see, it's not bright at all. So this is a video of the side marker when you turn it on at night. It's very bright. As you can see, the LED lights are super bright. It shines so far away. It's even shining on the house, so everybody can see on the freeway road. Everybody will be more cautious around you. This is the rear view. It's just super bright. Even looking at it blinds me. It has a clean, like, flash to it. You know, like halogen bulb. LED is like sharp, bright, and fast. So if somebody's sleeping on the road when you're turning, it wakes them up right away. So all the LEDs, the turn signal and the side markers, I'm going to be putting a link down below where you guys can go get them on Amazon. And you make sure you put your right bulb size. For the TypeR, it's 7440 for the turn signals. And for the side markers, I'm going to put it in the description below. And when you click on the link for Amazon, it will show you the bulbs. You can get white, amber, or red, any kind you like of your choice. And if you really enjoyed this video and you liked the install and it was really helpful and it helped you to install your lights on your Civic, hatchback, or Sport, or TypeR, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. Take care, guys.